Introduction. The Constitution of the United States is the supreme law of the United States, establishing the framework for the national government and outlining the rights of citizens. Drafted during the Constitutional Convention in Philadelphia in 1787, it was ratified by the states and took effect in 1789. The Constitution is composed of a preamble, 7 articles, and 27 amendments, each serving a specific purpose. 1777, Articles of Confederation. In 1777, the Continental Congress adopted the Articles of Confederation, the first national constitution. It established a national government with a unicameral legislature but granted most powers to the individual states. The Articles proved to be too weak to address many issues, including regulation of commerce and taxation, leading to calls for a stronger central government. 1787, Constitutional Convention. Delegates from 12 states excluding Rhode Island convened in Philadelphia to address the shortcomings of the Articles of Confederation. This gathering, later known as the Constitutional Convention, produced the U.S. Constitution, which established a stronger federal government with 3 branches: executive, legislative, and judicial. Key figures like George Washington, James Madison, and Alexander Hamilton played major roles in shaping the Constitution. Madison is often called the father of the Constitution due to his significant role in drafting it. 1788, Ratification of the Constitution. The Constitution was ratified in 1788 after New Hampshire became the 9th state to approve it, fulfilling the requirement for implementation set by Article 7. The Federalist Papers, a series of essays written by Hamilton, Madison, and John Jay, were instrumental in persuading states to ratify the document. 1789, Implementation of the Constitution. In 1789, the U.S. Constitution officially became the law of the land. On March 4, the new government began operations, and George Washington was elected as the first president of the United States. The first Congress convened under this new federal structure. 1789, Objections raised. In 1789, as the U.S. Constitution was implemented, several objections emerged, primarily concerning the absence of a Bill of Rights, which critics believed left individual liberties unprotected. 1791, the Bill of Rights, in response to concerns about individual liberties. The first 10 amendments to the Constitution, known as the Bill of Rights, were ratified in 1791. These amendments guaranteed fundamental rights. Conclusion. These milestones highlight the evolution of American governance, from a loose confederation of states under the Articles of Confederation to a unified federal system under the U.S. Constitution. The adoption of the Bill of Rights further secured individual liberties and created a foundation for the nation's legal and political structure.